Hello, I'm back. Almost. Well, I'm working on being back. Um, it has been 9 years since the last time I posted a video on this channel, and today is my birthday. I turned 36 today. Yay! And I just really got me thinking about the last year, the last decade, what I want the next year to be like. And a big part of that for me is making my 37th year on this planet a little more intentional, than it has been, because I've kind of let a lot of myself go over the last 9 years that I've been completely MIA on this channel. And starting this back up is, going to be part of my effort to get some of myself back. In the 9 years that's passed, I've been pretty much buried in work. I'm a small business owner. I have a web design company, and I'm the one who designs and develops the websites. And so it's a lot of work, and I kind of let that be the excuse for me not doing a whole lot else. In the last 9 years, I got married. I had a kid. He's 2.5 years old now. His name's Lucian. He's a doll, and he's a handful. Um, and yeah, I just, I kind of let everything I was passionate about, everything, all my hobbies, all my interests kind of fall by the wayside in favor of just working my ass off, being a mom. We just bought a house. It needed a lot of work, and so, it's just been really this struggle to carve out time for artwork because honestly, every time I even sit down to draw something, I feel totally guilty because I'm not doing the other 50 things that I'm supposed to be doing, and then I feel like the quality of my work isn't where it should be, because I haven't been practicing. So, of course, I have made zero improvements. I'm looking at peers and being like, oh, why would I even, do anything when they're all so much better than me? And na 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 na. I'm just feeling so behind the curve and all these just stupid, totally toxic, unhelpful things. And, you know, the other day I was talking to my brother who has a personal training practice, and I was trying to like get started making videos, and I was like, dude, you have to just do it, you have to just stop, waiting for everything to be perfect and just get it out there. And I was like, oh my god, that's me. That's exactly what I've been doing. I've tried to come back to my channel so many times over the years, but every time it was, okay, first, I obviously have to do an intro animation. So let me do that first, and then I'll be ready to record a video. Or, oh, let me get my portfolio website back up, and then I can start making videos again. And just kept creating these arbitrary benchmarks that I wasn't hitting, and being like, well, that's why I can't start. So I'm sorry for the low quality. I'm sorry for the extemporaneous nature of this conversation. And I'm also sorry for the complete lack of art. But I just had this on my mind, as my birthday gift to myself. I want to just give myself this hope that I can, I might not be able to have it all, but I can have more. I can carve out time for myself and the things that I love to do, and for, improving at my craft, I guess, I can put away those feelings of, well, I'm too old now. Oh, I'm so behind the curve, I'm so this, I'm so that. It's like, who cares? Like, oh, even right now, I was like, oh, I need to go to my office and use my better system and get my microphone and da 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 and get the camera set up, and what does my desk look like, and I was starting to build up all these reasons why I couldn't just sit down and get started. So, yeah, next time the quality will be better. I will have a real camera and not just my laptop. I will have a real microphone, but this is me starting. This is me saying, I'm back and I am ready to start making art again. I have a bunch of notebooks shoved here, there, and everywhere with ideas for the web comic that I was always going to start one day. And but kept feeling like, ugh, what do I know about making a story, crafting the story in comic book fashion and making it interesting. And I'll never be as good as so and so. And I don't know enough about blah, 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 blah. All these reasons why I couldn't just sit down and get started and try. So, a lot of what I'll be doing here is trying to get that going. And, maybe it never will. Maybe all I'll come out of it with are thumbnails and sketches and whatever. But, I hope that it's an interesting journey. I hope that, I at least um, can start to see some improvement in my art and in the things that I'm doing. And yeah, that's where I'm at. So sorry for the ramble. For those of you who are still subscribed to my channel, thank you. Sorry for disappearing. I'm also sorry for now reappearing and probably making you wonder why you were subscribed to me in the first place, or if you probably even forgot that 9 years ago you threw a subscription to this dummy who was making digital paintings and speed caps and whatever. I forget. I don't even remember what it was called now. Jesus, I'm rambling. I'm gonna go. I got some books to order on you know storytelling and comic book making, and get those here. And I hope I can show you something interesting. Thanks for sticking around. Have a good one. I'll see you soon.